welcome to another fishing adventures video. I haven't done one in a while, so I thought I'd try it out today. Let me get some get y'all out of the sun. But it's early November right now here in Virginia, which I've never fished in the fall. I normally stop fishing after Labor Day, so we're gonna try. I'm not much on cold weather, but today's actually really nice. It's like 60, 70 degrees here in Virginia right now. Last week we had a deep freeze. It got like 20s, and it pretty much frosted really bad and killed everything. So but now it's nice. It's Virginia weather. One week will be freezing and the next week it'll be 80 degrees. So but we're gonna see what we can do today and catch. I'm gonna hit up my normal spots that I do over here where I live at. So right now we're at the Favorite Mines Ponds here in Craig. So, but I'm gonna try some different things out today, and as the car goes by. So, a lot of hunters out here today. It's today is first day of muzzleloader season, so that's real nice. But I don't know if y'all can see my truck behind me. I've actually been doing some work on this. I got a Frontier bar from a 2023. I also put an ARB bumper on and a winch. If y'all want any more stuff on my Nissan, feel free to let me know, because I'm working on it. I actually have a lift kit coming in next week, so feel free to comment below if y'all want to see an update on the Frontier. This is pretty much the vehicle I drive every day. But we're gonna go see what we can catch, and I'll see y'all here in a bit. Alright, so we're here as the car rides by. That's one reason why I was trying to move over here, is to get away from the parking lot. But today we're here at Favorite Mines Pond. I'm going to see what kind of fish we're going to catch today. If you're curious to see what my water bottles and what the logo looks like on some of these water bottles, these are my water bottles. It's got my logo and stuff on it. I have a couple pictures on Instagram. Feel free to follow that below. But I have these water bottles come with a straw, and they have my logo, and there's two different colors. You got the silver and the white. I'm ordering a white travel mug here soon for coffee, so I'm not drinking coffee out of this. But we're gonna see what we can catch today. Like I said, it's fall, it's beginning of November, and I've never fished anywhere in the cold, so I don't know if these bass are gonna be biting today or what. So we're gonna try it out, and I'm just gonna be trying a few lures. We're gonna hit a few spots up today. We're gonna hit here for a little while, and then we're actually going to go try some creek spots. So we'll see what we can catch today, and I'll see y'all here in a bit. Alright, so we're going to throw out here. I'm trying to be quiet a little bit, because it's very quiet out here today. Not a lot of stuff going on. It's really quiet. There's a lot of salamanders in here today. I have a little rooster tail on here. I don't know if anything's even gonna want this thing today. I do not know. It's just what I had on my lure. I just thought I'd throw it out there and see, as I knocked my other fishing pole over. It might be a little bit too fast for fish. I do not know what the water temperature is here. Saying it's 65, 70 degrees today. So, am I going to lose my rooster tail today? Come on. Seriously? Wonderful way to start the day. Yeah, I really need something more weight on here. It's the issue. Cool thing about today is there's no leaves on these trees, so I don't have to get leaves today. So I'm not quite sure where these fish are going to be at today. I don't know if they're going to be down deep or if they're going to be down Up shallow. Oh, he chased it. I just watched one chase it. This is the clearest I've ever seen this water. If you go on my other videos, which I'll post it up in the top right hand corner, you'll see how muddy this water gets during the summer, especially like the rainy months. So, but I actually could see that fish come after this lure over there. Yeah, I'm just not seeing nothing today. Oh, there's one right there. Don't know if you can see it in the water or not. There's a bass right there. You guys are moving slow today, man. I just saw a fish jump up. That's the first action we've gotten since I've been here. And I've been here for probably about, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes or so. Give or take. Alright, he jumped up over. There's a big one that stays over here in this corner. We've hooked him one time. Trey has hooked him one time. But oh, fish on. Don't get off, little buddy. Oh, dude, he choked it. Yeah, he choked it. I'm gonna have to get my pliers out real fast. There we go. Yeah. Small one. Hopefully he lives. Nope.
Oh yeah, I was wondering if you had a GoPro. You just have a little...
Sorry about that. We had to make it a little short retrieval of that bass, but he ended up smoking it, and he did live. I did get it out, as y'all could see. Didn't know I had company when I was recording, so she kind of snuck up on me. I try to keep their personal stuff out of the videos so that I'm not recording somebody that doesn't want to be recorded. So we're going to keep trying for a little bit and seeing if anything else is going to bite. You'll never guess what we just caught. We just hooked a salamander. Nice. You see the salamander? This place is full of them right now. They're here sunbathing right now. We're going to put this guy back in the water. I could use him as fish bait, but I'm just going to put him back in the water. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and move to another spot. We caught that one largemouth bass. He was a little small guy. As I'm getting ready to leave, there's a fish just jumped up right there. But we're going to head to another spot today. I don't want to spend all my time here because I could definitely do that and waste some time today. But people are starting to come in, starting to get warmer. So we're gonna head on out and see if we can catch another fish somewhere else. All right, so we're at the second spot today. Another one of my good spots I like to go fishing. We've waded here before. If you want to see that video, it's up. I'll pop it up here somewhere. But today we're just gonna try. The water's really shallow still, and all this leaf cover on the bottom might be able to catch some more fish, but we'll see what we can catch. So we're gonna go ahead and leave this spot. I've fished both sides. I fished this side of the bridge because I'm on a different side of it than the other side over there. I did hook into one nice sized fish, but I didn't realize he was on. So I'll show that clip real fast and then we'll head on to the next spot. Oh! I did not set the hook good enough. I did not expect that. That was a big fish. I almost thought I was hung. All right, so we're here at the other spot. This is Johns Creek, the Johns Creek Bridge on 311. I've also fished here in one of my videos. If y'all missed it, feel free to check it out on one of the corners. We waded this creek and caught a lot of fish. I caught a nice pike, and it ended up getting off. But we're going to see what we can catch here. I'm going to use my rooster tail and just some slow baits, and we'll see what happens. All right, so here's a familiar sight. I'm going to try a rooster tail first and see. It is getting like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so the wind's the car goes across the bridge, but it's going to start getting colder. I think it's supposed to be like 50s or something tonight, so we'll see. There's a chipmunk over there. He's right over there in the thing over there. There's a chipmunk. Well, I've been here for a little while, tried some different baits, and didn't get any bites. I didn't even see any fish, but thanks everybody for watching. I know this video is going to be long, but we'll see you on the next one.